Ooh, excuse me. Why is it I always come on here looking a mess? Like, you need to get your life together. But anyways, I don't think I've done my intro in a long time, so we're gonna do that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to if you're new. If you're new, very unfortunate, because you know I keep saying this is not the video for you to click on if you're new because I look a mess, but then I keep coming back looking a mess. I guess you're just gonna have to get used to it. In today's video, I am doing I don't know what I'm doing. I ain't never did it before, so this is probably not a tutorial. I watched one YouTuber do it, and her name is Eva Wilson, Eva something. I ain't really pay attention to it. You know how like you watch hair tutorials, but you don't watch them. I'm just about to wing it. I'm not using black hair. I'm using orange hair, so hopefully this comes out curved. I have a picture in my head, but I don't know if that's how it's gonna come out, because every time I picture something, it don't come out that way. So I don't know what my brain be doing. And you know, we coming back with my broke up edge brush. Oh, that feel good. Let me just slick this hair real quick. Y'all want me to do a slick hair tutorial, but honestly, there's a whole bunch of videos out there. I really feel like it's useless. I mean, this video is useless too. There's a whole bunch of videos out there. I was already doing the hairstyle, so why not do the hair tutorial? Not tutorial. Hair video. It's hot. My AC just started working a good 5 minutes ago. I was without AC for too long. So that's why I haven't been really filming videos, because it's hot. And I don't want y'all to be hearing the air conditioning, which you can hear. But for you guys' sake, I have my door closed and I'm burning up. So you're welcome. But I'm actually about to open it because this is about to go on mute. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just put on my scarf to slick back my hair, because one of the cons of having curly hair is it never want to slick. Like, baby girl, I don't want waves. Okay? Keep them in the ocean. Here's my hair, you know, stiff wear bars. Anyway, again, this is not a tutorial, so I really don't gotta do that. And this is the hard part, because you know, when you got long hair, don't care, stiff wear.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my God. I can't. I am disgusted. You better talk to her before I do, because I'm hurt her feelings.
So that's my little bun. We're gonna take this and wrap it around it. Secure it. Okay, I guess two rounds, that's it. And we're gonna try to like wrap the hair around it. Girl, I don't know what she did. All I know is it was ain't you supposed to be human? I'm just kidding, it's collecting on. This is when you start braiding, and if you don't know how to braid, then this is the wrong tutorial, hair tutorial for you. Lord, I am never doing this again. this would do right. That would be great. You can see my whole hair. Look at this.
No. 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 Hell no. 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 I refuse. No. No.
That's ghetto. No, ma'am. I don't understand how in the world she did it. Alright, can you see it? We're basically done, and I'm just about to cut off this excess. Okay. That's the only thing I hate with working with braiding hair. It's going to be everywhere on your floor for the next year. I like literally got so frustrated doing this braid. I don't even care what the roots look like no more. Like, you can probably see my hair. I don't care because you don't see the back. Like, I don't think I plan on wearing this out anyway. Alright guys, so this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you liked it. You learned something. Probably not going to keep this hairstyle in long because it is very inconvenient with the color. But I still really like it. Took a lot of little photos. I'm insert the ones that I like right here on the screen. Period. But that's it for this video. I'm about to go film another video real quick. And that's 2 videos 1 week. Hustle. Period. Peace out, Girl Scout.